This video will demonstrate how to replace the shock cord on a Concept 2 rower model C, D, or E. To begin, split the monorail from the frame by lifting the mouse and raising the monorail as shown in the video. Flip the frame over and slide the return mechanism cover out of the frame. Be very careful here as these parts have tension loaded from the shock cord. Hold the shock cord with one hand and disconnect it from the pulley with your other hand after taking note of the way they connect for assembly. Slowly release the tension off the shock cord. Remove the end cap by loosening the bolt only enough to get the hook off of the frame. Our machine used a 5/32 of an inch hex wrench and a 7/16 of an inch combination wrench. Remove the scam pieces from the shock cord. Remove the shock cord from the traveling pulley. Install the new shock cord through the traveling pulley as shown here. Make sure the ends are equal before moving to the next step. Install the shock cord onto the pulleys on the monorail end of the frame. Feed the shock cord through the frame. Make sure each side goes straight back and is not wrapped around the chain. Install the two scam pieces to the end of the shock cord. Feed the shock cord back through the frame toward the monorail. Remember to keep the cord's paths untwisted as shown in the video. Connect the two scam pieces to the pulley axle as your notes reflect from before disassembly. Install the end cap. Install the return mechanism cover. Upright the frame and connect it back to the monorail. If your machine's shock cord is still not returning, go back and look at the shock cord's path. If you are sure about the shock cord routing, look at the flywheel sprocket bearings, chain, or pulleys. Like our page on YouTube. Thank you for your support during our 20+ years in the business. This completes the demonstration.